Are you looking for that awesome 34-foot cruiser? Then come with me for a quick walk-around tour on this 2005 34 Fiesta V by Rinker. She's in top condition. She's loaded with features, bow to stern, starting with a windlass, foredeck cushion, generator, air conditioning, and an upgraded decking. The interior is neat and clean, and the boat is very well powered with twin Volvo 5.7 engines with a good metal dual prop outdrive. So come with me for a quick walk around tour on hook and ladder here at South Mountain Yachts. Here we are starting off forward starboard side on this 2005 34 Rinker Fiesta V. We see she's got a nice deep blue colored hull. At the bow we have a windlass and plow anchor. Bottom paint is fresh on this boat. And then coming down along port side, this gives us another view. Notice we've got that LLI, ladies like it, forward lounge pad. Great place to lay out and enjoy the day. Rinker does a nice job. We've got stainless steel port lights here and a heavy duty tube. Now, this boat was built back in the day when they had those tailor-made curved windshields for a nice, sleek, sporty look. Got a forward-facing radar arch on this vessel, and then here we have all of our shore power hookups. Coming to the transom, we see we've got the extended swim platform here, a great feature. There's a boarding ladder there and pop-up cleats. Off to this side, we have our 3-step boarding ladder, and we've got trunk storage right in here. We enter the vessel through this starboard door, and right behind that we have our shower, our hot and cold shower. We've got a beautiful transom bench seat right here with lots of storage, cup holders, table. Now we have filler cushions for in here, so this whole area becomes a nice sun pad. If you notice, we have molded in steps, so access to the bow is nice and easy from here or through the windshield. As we move forward, we see we've got a full-size wet bar, refrigerator, an ice maker. The ice maker is non-functional, but we've got lots of storage, sink, and a great feature here is a pop-up blender. If you notice, we've got grab rails all around, and this owner has added a nice, soft, color-coordinated decking to the boat, which is easy on the feet, keeps the deck cool and the boat clean. Now moving forward, we've got a nice chaise lounge with storage here up underneath. We've got LED lighting throughout and upgraded speakers right there. Here at the helm, we have our double wide seat. At the driver's side, we have a thigh rise flip up bolster. We've got our dual binnacles right here, VHF radio, and then up here we have all of our gauges, port and starboard, with hour meters and tacks right there. Our switches are nicely labeled. We've got tilt steering, windlass right here, and then our Garmin GPS radar map right there. There's our steps to the bow, up, and out to enjoy that lounge pad. This is going to give us an overview of the cockpit. If you notice, there's lots of seating right here. Engine access is nice and easy. We have a power hatch here, which makes life nice and comfortable. If you notice, you don't even have to move the table. Make sure you move your drinks so they don't end up on the deck. Here we are with these twin Volvo 5.7 OXSI engines. We're going to do a cold start on them. Looking around the engine compartment, we see a generator off to one side with about 108 hours. We have our Vac-U-Flush system right there. Fire system is recently serviced. And then there's our starboard. We've got a new water heater off the corner for that. Once we do our quick inspection here, we can lower the hatch and we're good to go. Now with the hatch closed, you can get a sense of just how quiet those engines are here in the cockpit. We enter the cabin through this center line sliding door and down a few steps. Immediately to starboard, we see we have a nice U-shaped seating area, which also converts to a sleeper. The inside of the cabin is neat and clean. We've got more than 6.5 feet of headroom. The upholstery is a nice ultra leather. Notice down below, we've got storage right there with those little shelves. Moving forward, we see we've got cabinet right here. Used to have a TV in there. And then as we circle around, we have a very large forward V berth. Side to side is full beam. Fore to aft is over 6 feet. We've got storage down below. Now hook and ladder has a generator and air conditioning. It's got a beautiful galley right here. Corian countertop. Dual burner glass top stove. Microwave, built-in coffee maker, and a nice rack right there. Moving aft, we've got our port side head right here. Great feature on this is we have a separate shower stall right there. Vac-U-Flush head, nicely appointed with a stainless steel sink, vent, and a port light right there. Got a full-length mirror so we can check out just how great we look. Moving aft, there's those custom stairs right there. We have a berth area right here. It's a seating area, and we currently have it set up as a bed. And there's the cushions for the aft area to form a full seat. Hook and ladder is neat, clean, odor-free, air-conditioned, has a lot of recent maintenance on it, so she's turnkey, ready to go. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.